Do you know being too responsive with women over text? Or you are the one who always texts her first, or you are sending long messages in relation to her, or you are over texting her, like sending so many messages in one go. And if you are doing all these mistakes, then guys, you are killing your attraction. She will gonna lose interest and she'll ghost you. What's all going on, bro? Welcome to another video. My name is Shubham Sanduja, and in today's video we are gonna be talking about mistakes guys do over text. And guys, watch the video till the end because I have also shared my personal experience where I did all these mistakes, and if you wanna know the outcome, then watch the video till the end. Let's start the video. First of all, remember this thing: you cannot create attraction over texting. You can only generate interest. Let me explain. While texting with the women, you can generate interest in her so that she should say yes and meet you in person. After that, when you meet her, then you can create attraction. Just keep in mind, you don't have to over text her. The more you text, the more she'll play hard to get. So what you can do is, when you get her number, you have to chat with her back and forth for a while, not too much. Chatting too much with women can bring out your insecurities, and women picks up on this very easily. Let's suppose you're chatting with the women and everything is going perfect. She's responding quickly, she's showing interest and she's laughing, but suddenly she stopped responding. At this point, many guys goes wrong. Like when she stopped responding, you were like, why the heck she's not responding? Or did I said anything wrong? Because everything was going perfect. What should I do? You become tense and pressurizing yourself because you wanted to know the truth, and you start texting her again and again. Why are you not responding to my messages? Where are you? Did I said anything wrong? Why are you not replying? Like you are chasing her again and again. This turns her off and she'll ghost you. Instead of, what you need to do is, you have to stop responding. You don't have to chase her. Most of the women set this trap. She intentionally stopped responding to your text because she wanted to know whether you are being insecure, needy, or anxious, or you are handling very confidently or not. So if she stopped responding, then you should also stop responding to her text. Just mirror her action. If she is stepping back, then you should also step back. And it doesn't matter if she is not replying in 1 hour or 1 day or 1 week, 1 month, or even a year. You don't have to text her back until you are not getting her respond, because texting is like a badminton, back and forth, back and forth. You are sending, she is responding, she is sending, you are responding. And there might be other reasons why she is not texting you back at that moment. She might be somewhere busy, she might be busy with her job or with her family, or she went outside for some work. That's why she shouldn't get a time to respond to you immediately. But if she is responding you like after an hour or 2 hours, at least she is responding. If she is responding late, that does not mean that she is ignoring you. Guys, she also has her own life too. Guys, you have to understand this common thing. If she likes you or respects you, she will definitely gonna text you back. I guarantee it. And if she is not responding, then you don't have to chase her. Always have an abundance mentality. You have got your own life too. Make it worth it. Achieve your dreams. Moreover, while texting with the women, you don't have to be too responsive. Like you are replying to her text immediately and she is replying to you in 1 hour. You should also respond to her text in 1 hour. And guys, don't write an essay or sending too many texts at a time to her. She is giving you 1-word reply and you are sending her paragraph again and again, again and again. Never ever do it. You have to notice while chatting with her, is she giving 1-word answer or there is a full sentence? There might be many reasons why she is giving you 1-word answer. Either your conversation is boring. If this is the reason, then you have to learn how to have an interesting conversation, either over text or when you meet her in person. That's why I always say never chat with her too much, because you will gonna show neediness, insecurities, you will gonna send the paragraphs, she will get bored or she will give you 1-word answer. And guys, remember this thing, when you are getting 1-word answer, just end the chat over there only. And guys, remember this thing, you shouldn't have to initiate the conversation every time. Once in a while, let her initiate the conversation, let her invest in you. And if you are continue to do these silly mistakes, then guys, she will gonna lose interest, she will going to ghost you, believe me or not. It will not gonna happen straight, but after a couple of months, like slowly, this will definitely gonna happen. because I am saying this with my personal experience. Now let me share you my personal experience and where I did all these mistakes. So we met in class, we started talking, we exchanged our numbers. So as a guy, it is my duty to initiate the conversation, and I did the same thing. Everything was going perfect, I was getting instant replies and I made her laugh as well, and she has shown full interest while chatting with me. It's been a month and I have been noticing one thing, that I am the only one who always initiate the conversation. So I asked her, why didn't you initiate the conversation? She was like, I'll give you reply instantly, but I won't initiate the conversation. I asked why. She was like, it's my choice. At that point of time, till now, I haven't talked to her. Guys, believe me or not, I have not even sent her a single message, and I have not even called her, even though she was cute and many boys were after her. But I don't give a damn. Here I also got some self-respect. I also got some standards. I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you're still watching, I really appreciate you, bro. Like my video, and if you're new, subscribe my channel and turn on your notification bell on, because I drop 2 new videos every single week and you don't want to miss it. I'm gonna talk to you all in the next video. Stay happy and stylish.